Your brain's focus muscles have atrophied in our distraction-filled world. Most people never develop the neural pathways needed for sustained concentration. They jump between tasks, respond to every notification, and wonder why deep work feels impossible. The Pomodoro Technique isn't just a time management hack. It's focus training. It systematically builds your brain's ability to concentrate intensely, just like progressive overload in weightlifting builds physical strength. Using structured intervals, you train your mind to resist distractions and progressively extend your focus threshold. The Pomodoro Technique has 5 simple steps. First, choose one specific task to focus on. Second, set a timer for 25 minutes. Third, work with complete focus until the timer rings. No distractions, no switching tasks. Fourth, take a short 5-minute break. Fifth, after completing 4 Pomodoros, take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. That's it. The regular breaks prevent mental fatigue and decision fatigue. Here are the critical mistakes that will sabotage your results. Mistake number 1, breaking the indivisible Pomodoro. You get interrupted 15 minutes in, then try to resume and make up the remaining time. Why it's fatal. A Pomodoro is an atomic unit of 25 minutes of uninterrupted focus. Once broken, its integrity is lost. If significantly interrupted, void that Pomodoro entirely. Take a quick reset, then start a fresh 25-minute session. Mistake number 2, allowing constant distractions. You set the timer, but still check notifications or let your mind wander to other tasks. The technique's power comes from sustained focus. Context switching destroys this benefit. The fix. For internal distractions, quickly note them on a distraction sheet and return to your task. For external interruptions, silence notifications and inform others you're in a focus block. Mistake number 3, tackling overly ambitious tasks. Setting a Pomodoro for vague, massive tasks like work on Project X. You won't feel accomplished after 25 minutes, leading to discouragement. The fix. Break down large tasks into concrete subtasks that can be completed in 1-4 Pomodoros. This provides clear checkpoints and builds momentum. Mistake number 4, giving up after failed sessions. The trap. Having an unproductive session and concluding the technique doesn't work for you. Progress isn't linear. Some sessions will naturally be more productive than others. Adopt the mindset that the next Pomodoro will go better. Learn from off sessions, but don't dwell. Consistency matters more than perfection. You've watched enough productivity videos. It's time to actually take action. Click the link in the description to access my free Pomodoro timer that I built specifically for you to use. Just 25 minutes of uninterrupted focus. That's all I'm asking. See how accomplished you'll feel afterward. Your brain is craving this structure. Give it what it needs. The timer is ready. You're ready. Click the link now and transform theory into results.